Welcome back to the David Automobile channel, Nissan Fanatics. Remember the 2024 Nissan Z NISMO? It took the sports car world by storm. Buckle up, because 2025 might see the NISMO roar even louder. Here's a deep dive into potential upgrades and the electrifying future of the Z. The 2024 NISMO was a beast, boasting 420 horsepower. But news suggests 2025 might push the limits even further. Imagine an engine tweak unlocking even more power, propelling the NISMO from 0 to 60 mph in 3.5 seconds to a mind-blowing sub-3.5 second time. Whispers also hint at potential aerodynamic upgrades, a more aggressive front splitter, redesigned side skirts, and a revamped rear wing, all working together to hug the road even tighter. The 2024 NISMO was already a track demon, but whispers suggest 2025 might see further refinement. Imagine a suspension, even stiffer than before, allowing for unparalleled cornering precision. There's also a chance we might see upgraded brakes with even more stopping power, giving drivers absolute control on the track. The 2024 NISMO's interior was a blend of sportiness and comfort, but could 2025 see an even sharper focus on the driver? Imagine a new steering wheel design, optimized for maximum grip and control. There's also a chance we might see additional performance-oriented displays in the instrument cluster, providing drivers with all the information they need to push their limits. While official details are under wraps, whispers suggest a potential late 2025 release for the 2025 NISMO. As for pricing, news hint it might remain in the mid-$50,000 range, offering incredible value for a track-ready monster. This might be a long shot, but whispers suggest that Nissan might be exploring a hybrid or even fully electric version of the NISMO in the future. Imagine the mind-blowing combination of electric power and the NISMO's legendary handling. It's a future we can't wait to see. The 2025 Nissan Z NISMO is shrouded in mystery, but the potential upgrades are certainly exciting. As we get closer to an official reveal, we'll be bringing you all the latest news, confirmed specs, and exclusive insights. Don't miss out on the evolution of a legend. Subscribe to the David Automobile channel and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Let's see what the future holds for the iconic Nissan Z NISMO together.